The complexity and amount of data required to successfully design, build, and start up a modern process plant is overwhelming. Since 1981, S&B engineers and constructors has helped our clients overcome this daunting challenge through the use of our proprietary, fully integrated project information management system, iPIMS. We use iPIMS on every project we execute, regardless of size or scope. This ensures our projects are managed with certainty. It gives our clients peace of mind throughout the project lifecycle, from the earliest conceptual stages through to the mechanical completion and startup of their facility. The key is the use of real-time transparent data, which is ready at your fingertips no matter where you are. This level of accessibility drives projects to completion faster and more efficiently, encouraging collaboration on critical project activities from approval and comments to continuous model reviews. Ensuring that the data in iPIMS is accurate is critical to S&B's successful project execution. It is essential that every team member understands the role their information plays in the overall success of the project, as well as how incorrect or missing information can significantly impact later phases of the work. A project starts with a client approaching S&B with an idea or concept, along with a substantial amount of supporting information. The information management team enters this information into iPIMS, laying the foundation on which other S&B team members will build as the project progresses. The information management team builds information relationships with the client data, which is pushed out to team members using the transmittal system. The transmittal system is the hub for all information transmitted on the project. It relies on a project distribution list, which allows team members to tailor the type of information they received based on their needs and project function. The engineering design team now begins processing the client's information, transforming concept into design and producing new information that is entered into iPIMS, such as equipment and instruments lists, specifications, calculations, data sheets, P&IDs, and design drawings. The information produced at this stage is also building information relationships and will be reused by other team members later in the project, an example of the principle of single entry, multiple use. Any incorrect, missing, or bad information at this stage could result in major impacts to cost, schedule, quality, and safety later in the project. As collaboration between the engineering and design team increases, iPIMS simplifies and streamlines the process, transmitting the interdiscipline squad check to team members for review in a collaborative environment. iPIMS also gives the client access to real-time information, provides automatic notifications for any action requiring client input, and allows the client to make timely decisions and resolutions directly in the system. Based on the decisions provided by the client, the engineering and design teams develop additional information such as data sheets, specifications, and drawings, which are entered into iPIMS to create inquiry packages. Using the information in iPIMS, the procurement team transmits the inquiry packages for pipe, steel, equipment, and other materials to approved vendors to solicit quotes. The procurement team enters the vendor's quotes into iPIMS, where the information can be evaluated by procurement and engineering to identify the most technically and commercially qualified vendors. Our recommendations are transmitted as bid tabs to the client for approval within iPIMS. Upon approval of a bid tab, the inquiry package is updated to a purchase requisition and issued in iPIMS to project management and the client for final approval. The approved requisition is then issued through iPIMS to the procurement team, who creates a purchase order and issues it to the vendor, allowing them to begin fabricating the purchased equipment. All of the transactions required to move a purchase order through to the vendor are tracked, recorded, and easily accessed in iPIMS. The procurement team monitors the vendor's progress on fabrication of the purchased items. All vendor documents are collected in iPIMS by the information management team, allowing engineering to view and edit them in real time. This kind of visibility is crucial to identifying and handling issues earlier in the project lifecycle, minimizing their impact on cost and schedule. This allows engineering to finalize their designs and also allows procurement to confirm delivery dates to ensure purchased items are received on-site at the right time. Throughout the project, iPIMS allows the client to monitor the progress of the work. Status reports in iPIMS keep the client informed on completion of key project activities, as well as schedule and budget performance. The client can also see when purchase orders have gone out to the vendors, as well as when the project receives critical information from the vendors to help the engineering and design teams get their designs finalized for the model review. During the model review, all comments are captured in iPIMS and available for the client's review and approval. With the final model review complete, the project begins to shift the focus from home office design activities to equipment delivery and construction activities in the field. As the construction team begins to mobilize, iPIMS provides easy access to the information that has been developed by the other teams throughout the project thus far. From here, the technical services team has everything they need to build, track, and execute integrated installation work packages, including the 3D model, construction documents, and warehousing information. They can start building the installation work packages according to expected material delivery dates, before the materials even ship. iPIMS 3D pulls all available data from the system and integrates it with the installation work plan and 3D model, providing the construction team a detailed project overview. This overview is fully accessible in the field, giving the construction team all the information they need to complete the work safely, efficiently, and on schedule. While construction activities continue to progress in the field, the materials management and technical services team use iPIMS to track shipping and delivery dates of purchased equipment, ensuring it is received on site at the right time. iPIMS also tracks where each piece of equipment will be stored at the site prior to installation, allowing for organized and efficient construction activities. As the project nears completion, iPIMS ensures the team has access to the right information to support proper inspection, testing, and final acceptance. iPIMS is a critical part of S&B's Managing with Certainty philosophy, and it is essential that every team member do their part to ensure that we deliver our projects on time and within budget.